everyone, my name is Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango float. In the Philippines, we call it refrigerated mango cake. Here are all the ingredients. 6 ripe mangoes, 2 cans of condensed milk, 1 can of table cream, and 3 boxes of honey graham crackers. Rinse the mangoes. Get 2 plates and a knife. Peel the skin and cut the mangoes into thin slices. Prepare a large mixing bowl. Combine the condensed milk and table cream. Mix them well. Prepare a container. Fill the bottom tray with crackers by laying it flat on its base. Pour the milk and table cream on top of the crackers. Add a layer of mangoes on top of the crackers. Pour the remaining cream on top. Finally, put in the fridge and chill it for an hour. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all learn how to make your own mango float. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.